Trace runs in.
Trace happily runs into a bright, clean bathroom, stops by the sink, waves excitedly at the camera.
Bouncy, energetic child movement, playful and inviting. Hello, BrightBuddy friends and families. Come quick, Trace is ready for a hand-washing challenge. Trace points to the sink with excitement, then points to herself proudly like a challenge leader. Bold, playful, camera framing. Today's challenge is this. Can Trace wash hands the right way? The BrightBuddySkills way. Can Trace do it? Family join in.
Trace leans toward the camera and waves both hands forward, inviting viewers to join. Warm, interactive expression.
BrightBuddy families and friends, come join Trace. If you are near a sink, get ready to follow along. Safety, fast, and fun. Trace stands beside a sink and a kid-safe step stool, points to the stool with approval.
Then makes a funny, serious face and gently shakes head no at the idea of standing on a sink.
Quick safety check. If you need help reaching the sink, use a kid-safe step stool with a grown-up. Never stand on a sink. That is a no-no. Trace stands by the sink and quickly presents hand-washing items like a game show host. Water, soap, clean towel, step stool, playful, proud gestures. Let's check our hand-washing tools. Water, soap, and a clean towel. And maybe a safe step stool too. Trace shows liquid soap, foaming soap, and bar soap one after another like choices in a fun game. Then picks liquid soap and smiles big. Families can use liquid soap, foaming soap, or bar soap. Today, Trace is using liquid soap. Ready, check. Trace looks straight into the camera, hands on cheeks with excited expression, waiting for the audience. BrightBuddy friends, are you ready? Then let's do it together. Turn on water.
Trace carefully turns on the faucet. Water flows gently. Close up on the action. Then Trace gives a proud little nod.
Turn on the water. Nice and easy. Not too wild, this is hand washing. Not a splash party. Turn on water. Wet hands. Trace puts both hands under the water, turns them front and back, then looks at camera for viewers. Wet both hands, front and back. Your turn. Trace pumps liquid soap into her hand, looks at the soap, then makes a funny smile, like not too much is best. Add soap, not too much. We want clean hands, not a bubble mountain. Trace rubs hands together with lively rhythm, first palms, then backs of hands, then between fingers.
With playful animated close-ups and big smiles. Rub, rub, rub. Rub the fronts. Rub the backs.
Rub between your fingers. Come on, do it with Trace. Rub, rub, rub. Thumbs and nails challenge.
Trace jubilates. Trace points at her thumbs and nails like a challenge boss, then scrubs them carefully while looking proud and playful. Trace gives 2 thumbs up. Don't forget the sneaky spots, thumbs and nails. They like to hide germs. Trace pauses, leans closer to the camera, smiles warmly, raises eyebrows as if checking how viewers are doing. Hey, BrightBuddy friends, are you all there and watching?
Are you rubbing between your fingers too? Great job. Trace rinses all the soap away. Bubbles slide off clearly. Bright, clean, close-up. Trace watches happily.
Rinse all the soap away. Bye-bye, Bubbles. You did your job. Rinse dry hands. Trace dries her hands with a clean towel, then lifts her hands proudly to show they are clean and dry. Dry your hands with a clean towel. Dry hands are happy, clean hands.
Water, wet hands, soap, rub, rinse, dry.
Trace points to each as they pop up. Let's say it together. Water, wet, soap, rub, rinse, dry. That is the BrightBuddySkills way.
Trace smiles into the camera like a friendly teacher and asks a challenge question, waiting proudly for the answer. What comes after soap? Yes, rub. And what do we use to dry our hands?
Wonderful. Trace points at the audience with playful excitement, then gestures like inviting ideas for the next lesson. Tell your family what you want to learn next. And who wants to help lead the next BrightBuddySkills challenge? BrightBuddySkills.